I scored 46.69 percentile in CAT 2023. Disclaimer: before making fun of me, please hear my excuses. You will get a lot of videos on YouTube telling how to score 99 percentile or more. Hopefully, I will make those next year. Yeah, so but you won't get the videos like this, where I will be telling you how to avoid the mistakes which I did and scored bad, or how not to score a bad percentile and not to repeat the mistakes which I did. So let me tell you why my scores are so bad in CAT 2023. So for background, I'm a law student. I was a law student. So as a law student, I didn't want to make a career in law, and so I just applied for CAT 2023 and left. I didn't study it for not for more than 10 days in the whole year. So yeah, and apart from that, in law school there are a lot of internships and a lot to study. I guess after med school, law school is the most difficult one to clear. And yeah, these are the excuses. Let's skip the excuses part and move forward, and let's make this setback into an opportunity to help others and to score well in CAT 2024. The first mistake which I did was I used to watch YouTube a lot. I mean, not entertainment. I used to watch productive videos, like mostly videos on CAT, how to crack CAT, like this, the video which you're watching, how to crack CAT, how to score 99 percentile, literally everything. Like even how to prepare for GDPI. Before even clearing CAT, I used to watch how to clear GDPI and what not. Life in IIM, life after IIM, what not. I used to watch literally each and every video of CAT. Literally everything I used to watch except for studying for CAT. Used to watch everything, but I won't study for CAT. Except for studying for CAT, I used to watch everything in YouTube. Literally, if I had studied instead of watching those videos, I would have been in a better position right now. And yeah, I will tell you guys, study right now. You can watch videos later after clearing CAT. There is ample amount of time to do that. Yeah. The second point will be I used to collect everything. Like I used to collect all the free resource materials, color study materials from YouTube. I had, like, it's like treasure. I used to pile it up, pile it up, pile it up. I had so many materials. I still have right now. Like I have so many materials. Like I have everything, but I never used to study from that. I used to collect, but never studied from that. If I just with the 10% of it, 10% of the material, if I just managed to study from that, I would have most probably scored above 80 percentile. If only if I studied from that 10%. But I used to collect, and yeah, that was the mistake which I did. And the third mistake was I was the guy who used to comment on all the big YouTubers or the small YouTubers channel, like this is my profile 666777888. Can I convert this? Can I convert that? I only used to think, can I convert this? Can I convert that? But the main thing is, whatever my profile might be, I can't change it. But the thing which I can change is my CAT marks. If I score good in CAT, then I can get a good B school. No matter, I will get a good B school no matter what if I score well in CAT. Irrespective of my past CATs, I never thought that. I only used to think negative pep talk me, like, can I do this? Can I do that? But I will suggest you guys, don't do that. First clear CAT and then think about the rest of the things. The fourth mistake is I used to think or research a lot about what is a safe score for my profile, and I watched a couple of YouTubers also. I guess you know them, 888 Merijan, what Beda Par, what you say, how cool is that? How cool is that? His slang. And yeah, don't watch YouTube videos on that. Score well, any profile it might be. You can get a good B school. First score well. If you don't clear CAT, then what is the use of it? Even if you have a bad profile. Yeah, so that's the mistake number 4. The mistake number 5 is I was in law school and I used to think that I am very busy, I have no time. Yeah, compared to other graduates apart from med school, I was busy. I was very busy. My schedule was very hectic, but I used to think I'm very busy, I don't have time to study. But in reality, when I retrospect it right now, I think those were just excuses. I had a lot of time and I didn't prepare. Thinking about it right now with work, when I'm working, I think I right now have no time. But even now, it's an excuse. I can make time for studies. But past, when I was in law school, I could definitely make time. Like that was just an excuse to not study. So I will tell you guys, don't make excuses and just study. You are just making excuses to not study right now. Yeah, that's the fifth tip. Yeah, the sixth mistake was I used to procrastinate a lot. Like I used to negative pep talk me. Like if I score 99 percentile, what if I don't get a call? What if I don't get a call if after scoring 99 percentile with my bad profile, this that. First of all, if you have scored 99 percentile, you won't tell this. Second of all, you can't score 99%, that's why you are telling this. Once you score 99 percentile, then say all of this. Then it's valid. Before that, it's not. So that's the next tip, mistake which I did. Yeah. Yeah. So the next mistake which I did is I never gave mocks, and I will give a lot of mocks this time. And I also hardly studied for more than 10 days. And yeah, I will give a lot of mock this time. I will recommend you guys also to give a lot of mocks. It will help you develop those examination conditions or the time pressure. It will help you guys in that. Yeah, that's the next mistake. Yeah, the last mistake or bonus tip which I will give you is there is no shortcut or nothing to score 99 percentile in CAT, and the day you realize this is when you will start seriously studying for CAT. Yeah, this is a bonus tip from me, guys, or whatever. Yeah, so I hope this video was helpful and you will not repeat the mistakes which I did, or at least learn from the mistakes which I did. And I am planning to give CAT 2024 and not repeat the same mistakes which I did this time, hopefully, and score good marks this time in CAT 2024. And I will be documenting my journey to CAT 2024 in this YouTube channel. What I studied each day, I will journal each and every day of mine. Even if the day I don't study, I will let you guys know. And whatever I study, I will let you guys know. And yeah, I will document my journey on this YouTube channel. So do consider subscribing it. And if you guys want to join my journey, do join me. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. This is my longest video, I guess. Yeah, so do like it, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.